Hi my loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to make this braided looking elegant updo that you can do in minutes. So begin by making a parting, and then we want to select our crown section. We want to twist it to bring it a little bit up and pin it in place with two bobby pins. Then you want to grab two sections from both sides of the parting, like so, and then you want to tie with them a ponytail using a clear elastic and hiding the bobby pins as well. Hold at the base of the elastic and pull a little bit of hair from this created ponytail to make it fuller and voluminous, like so. And again, we want to repeat this ponytail. So we'll have several ponytails over already created. I hope that this makes sense. So we want to make until we have no more hair underneath. This is my last ponytail. We want to bring the hair upward, tie it using a clear elastic. Don't forget to pull it to make it fuller and voluminous because this is our last one. And then you want to grab again an elastic and we want to pull our hair halfway through and then again creating kind of bubble underneath, and then you want to bring it inside created bun like I'm showing underneath, pinning it in place. Then you want to use some hairspray if you need, and you're basically ready. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this braided looking elegant updo. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Bye.